In today's video, I'll walk you through how to check your contact tier and see how many marketing contacts you're using inside HubSpot. If you're new to HubSpot, understanding your contact limits is extremely important. Your marketing contact count directly affects your subscription level and costs, so knowing where to find this information helps you stay in control of your account. Let's go step by step. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account name there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Account and Billing. This is where HubSpot keeps all the details related to your subscription, usage, and limits. After you're in the Account and Billing area, navigate to the Usage and Limits tab. This section gives you a clear overview of how your account is currently being used. Here, you'll see a few important numbers. Your current marketing contact count. This tells you how many contacts are marked as marketing contacts. Your contact tier. This shows the limit included in your subscription, and your total number of contacts stored in your database. It's important to understand the difference between total contacts and marketing contacts. Not every contact in your database has to be a marketing contact. Only marketing contacts count toward your tier limit, so keeping an eye on this number can help you avoid unexpected charges. You'll also notice a visual chart that shows how your marketing contact usage changes over time. This makes it easy to spot trends, for example, if your contact count is steadily increasing each month. Checking this section regularly is a good habit, especially if you're importing lists, running campaigns, or updating contact statuses. And that's how you view your contact tier and marketing contact count in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.